Hey guys, hope you're doing well. We're posting this video on Wednesday, so hope you have a happy 4th of July, and I wanted to thank you for all the kind comments. I really appreciate it. I'll eventually get to the comments section. It's just I've been really busy. I wanted to show you something. First draft. I actually have my first draft done for my book. I know I probably didn't need to print it out, but sometimes I just need some tangible thing I could hold and look at. It'll probably help me with my editing process. I still have a ways to go. Anyways, we'll get into this video. It's another build video. It's from when I was building the furniture. So enjoy. This is one of the things I wanted to do for a while, is make little beds or cots to create a bunkhouse. These are made pretty easily. Covered some foam with fabric and used hot glue to glue the fabric down. These measure about 13 inches long by 4 inches. Glued fabric over foam and then glued the cardboard on top of the fabric, and then glued the legs to the cardboard. This one ended up very messy, but when it's set in place, it doesn't matter. Little blocks of wood make up the legs, and it was just a very easy little bed or cot to make. I like making these easy projects, and throw some little Afghans on them, and they become quick little beds. At some point, I'll create a tutorial, step-by-step tutorial. But this was just to create some more furniture for my G.I. Joes. Well, that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. Another real quick video. If you like this video, make sure you click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. And share this video if you know a friend who would enjoy it. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.